Hi, everyone. Today we are going to finish the last section of our owl pellet dissection lab, which is super exciting. And I know it'd be a lot more exciting if we were in the classroom, and I know it kind of stinks, but we are going to make the best of it, and it'll still be pretty fun to do it on the computer because you still get to see the different things that the owl ate and still kind of get to fit together our skeleton and decide what the owl ate. So it'll still be really fun and you guys will still have a good time, I promise. All right, so you guys will just see the last section, step 5, right here. And step 5 says, finally, click go home, which you won't have to click go home. You'll just click straight onto the website again. And it says at the bottom of the menu, click virtual owl pellet. It should say click, not clock. Yours will say click. I'll fix that. It says click to remove the fur on the outside and the outside material and drag the bones to the appropriate spot on the animal skeleton. It says answer the following questions as you go. So as you're doing this, make sure you're answering these questions. And I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the steps that you might want to do to help you do the lab. So it says describe a fun fact as you read, that you read as you dissect the pellet. What bones or bones seem to be the longest? What seem to be the smallest? By looking at the skeleton, what do you think the owl, what do you think was eaten by the owl? And then when you finish, you want to record your time it took to complete the lab and then send the verification to your teacher. So when you're done, this little screen will pop up that'll say like email verification or something about like a Facebook post. Don't do the Facebook thing, but you want to email the verification to me and just send it to my school email. But then I also want you to write your time right here underneath question number 19. So how long did it take you to do it? Maybe it took you 13 minutes. Maybe it took you 20 minutes. Maybe it took you 30 minutes. It doesn't matter how long it took you. I just want you to write the time it took you, okay? So when you go to the website, this is what the website will look like. And you will click Virtual Owl Pellet. Oh, so exciting. It's so much fun. And this is what it'll look like. So when it says to, this is your owl pellet. So this is what the owl will regurgitate, which means to throw up. Good job. I know you knew that. You all said it. I know. I'm hoping that you said it when I was like waiting for you to say it. I'm pretty sure you did. I know you did because you aren't going to leave me hanging like that. Because I know if we were in class, you guys would have been like, throw up, this cup, it means throw up. So I know you probably said it when you were at home because you wouldn't leave me hanging like that. Air high five. Good job. All right. So here is your owl pellet down here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click, and I'm just clicking. I'm not dragging. I'm just clicking on what's on the outside of an owl pellet. Hey, good job. I heard you guys. It's the fur, and if it was a bird, it would be the feathers. Good. I feel like I'm like Dora the Explorer. It's the feathers. Good job. So we're clicking on all of that, and it just removes everything. And I don't know if you can hear the sound.
Thoracic vertebra.
I guess I'll figure out if you can hear the sound when I play this back. But when you click on the bones, it'll tell you what bones that you're clicking on.
Ribs.
So then when you click on it, you drag it over, and you have to kind of lay it on top and figure out where they fit. And then if I take something over there. Humerus. If I take something over there and I try to put it where it doesn't belong, it's going to go back to my pile of bones. When our paper asks us to describe a fun fact that we read while we were doing our dissection, our fun facts are going to pop up here just randomly throughout our dissection. Sometimes they'll pop up, sometimes they won't. It'll just like randomly pop up. That'll be cool. You can also, if you come over to the side, turn the labels on. So when it says those words, like
Humorous.
Humorous, you can look over on the sides for the word humorous, and if you don't know how to spell humorous, you can kind of listen to how it sounds. And you see right here, it says humorous right here, and that's where the humorous would go, okay? And then usually what's on one side of the body is going to be on the other side of the body. So the humerus would also go over here, okay? So then we know if we get another humerus, it's going to go on the other side of the body. So it would go over here. All right. If you finally get a fun fact and you're like, okay, I don't need those fun facts anymore, they're just going to be distracting, you can come over here and click the fun facts and you'll get a bone chart. And the bone chart will help you out if you're struggling with
Scapula.
matching up the bones, because if you have a bone and you see, okay, this matches here, you can take it and bring it
Lower
up.
jaw.
You can take it and bring it up to match up to the bones up here, and it'll just bring it over there. If the words, if it talking to you is really throwing you off, you can come over to the side, turn off the sound. Here's some more ribs. Okay, you could do things like that. There's the skull. But again, you have to have a fun fact. So eventually you will have a fun fact that's going to pop up. Okay, but this is all you have to do is just, now these little pieces here are going to get hard because these are all of its spine. So these little pieces here are all the little pieces. Oh, we found a fun fact. Owls can't move their eyes. They are locked in place. So their eyes that look all crazy like this, they're locked in place. They can't move their eyes. I did not know that. That's pretty cool. But their spine, their vertebrae, they are difficult to put in. So if you're struggling with that part and you're getting upset, maybe that's where you want to turn those fun facts off and use the bone chart to put those pieces on there, okay? Because even I struggled with that part. That part was a little difficult for me too, okay? So maybe that one you might want to use the bone chart for. But at the end, the last question where it says to record your time, that's where you see up here. And maybe you're really having a hard time with this and you're getting frustrated and you need to take a break. All you have to do is pause it. You don't have to start over. You don't have to walk away and say, but my time's going to go up. Miss Cup's going to think, blah, blah, blah. You could just pause it, take a 10, 15-minute break, walk away, and come back and do it later. That's fine. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me or call me or join our Zoom today. We will have a Zoom from 11:30 to 12. It'll be a fun time. We can talk about this. We can talk about what animal we think it is. It'll be great. Or call me. I will be at my desk today, or you can email me. Or you can join homework help tonight, 2:30 to 3:30. I will be there, your lovely science teacher. I am your science homework help. That link is on my website, right on my homepage. It's a cute little thing. I can show you it if you want to see it. It's how to get there. We'll go to Hubbard's website. You go to schools. You would go to the middle school, teachers and staff. Scroll down. Miss Cup. Website. Homework help. I'm right there. You just click right there and it'll take you to the link for homework help. All you have to do is literally just click this box right here that says homework help and it'll take you right to the link. So join homework help tonight if you need help, and after school hours, 2:30 to 3:30, I will be there. You could be there. It'll be a party. It'll be a great time. All right. Have fun. This will be a fun time. Okay. If you need help, just let me know. All right, guys. See you later.